You're in the middle of a conversation in English, and suddenly it happens. Your mind goes completely blank. The word you need? Gone. You forget it, just like that. Sound familiar?
It's one of the most frustrating experiences for English learners. You study hard, you know the words, but in real conversation, poof, they disappear.
Welcome to Speak English with Confidence. I'm Smith.
And I'm Jenna. Today, we're talking about why you forget English words mid-conversation, and more importantly, exactly what to do when it happens.
Stay with us, because by the end of this video, you'll have real strategies you can use today. So, let's get into it.
Okay, let's first understand why this happens. Enna, have you ever forgotten a word in the middle of a sentence?
All the time. Even now, speaking every day, it still happens. And here's the thing. It's not because you're bad at English. It's how our brain works.
Exactly. When you speak a second language, your brain is doing multiple things at once. Thinking about grammar, choosing vocabulary, listening to the other person, and managing your emotions. That's a lot.
And when you feel nervous or under pressure, like in a job interview or meeting, your brain releases stress hormones. These can actually block your ability to access words quickly. It's called the tip of the tongue phenomenon.
That's such a good point. So it's not just about vocabulary size. It's about how relaxed and practiced you are. The good news? There are strategies that really help.
All right, strategy number 1, and this is the most important one. Don't panic. Don't stop.
Yes, when you stop and go quiet, the silence feels long to you, but to the listener, it might only be 2 seconds. The panic makes it worse.
So instead of freezing, use a filler phrase to buy yourself time. Here are some great ones. What's the word I'm looking for? How do I say this? Let me think about this for a second. You know what I mean. It's like, native speakers use these all the time. It doesn't make you sound weak. It makes you sound natural. Strategy 2. Describe the word instead of stopping. If you can't remember the exact word, just describe what you mean. For example, if you forget the word kettle, you can say, the thing you use to boil water. Brilliant! Communication is about being understood, not about being perfect. Describing the word keeps the conversation moving.
Strategy 3. Use a synonym. Can't remember exhausted? Say, very tired. Can't think of furious? Say, really angry. Simple words work just as well.
And strategy 4, my personal favorite, rephrase your sentence. If the word is stuck, just change the direction of your sentence. Instead of, I'm looking for a word that means, go a different way entirely. Your listener probably won't even notice.
Flexibility is a superpower in language learning. The goal is to communicate, not to be a dictionary.
Okay, so those were in-the-moment strategies. But how do we actually reduce how often this happens? Let's talk long-term.
First, and this sounds simple, but so many people skip it, speak more English every day. Even if it's just talking to yourself. Narrate what you're doing. I'm making coffee. I'm opening the window. The more you use words out loud, the faster they come to you.
I love that technique. Second, learn words in context, not in isolation. Don't memorize a list of 50 random words. Learn them in phrases and sentences. Your brain remembers words better when they're connected to a situation.
For example, don't just learn the word apologize. Learn it as, I'd like to apologize for the confusion. Now it lives in a real situation in your memory.
Third, reduce the translation habit. Many learners think in their mother tongue first, then translate into English. That slows everything down, and that's where you lose words. The solution is to start thinking in English. Start small. When you wake up, think good morning to yourself in English. When you eat lunch, think about what you're eating in English. Bit by bit, English becomes your thinking language. And fourth, expose yourself to natural English as much as possible. Watch shows, listen to podcasts, read articles in English. The more you hear words used naturally, the more automatic they become. You don't have to move to an English-speaking country to get that immersion anymore. Your phone, your earphones, your screen, these are your immersion tools. All right, let's quickly recap what we covered today. When you forget a word in the moment, use filler phrases. Describe the word, use a synonym, or rephrase your sentence. Don't freeze. Keep talking.
And for the long term, speak every day, learn in context, think in English, and immerse yourself in the language. Do these consistently, and word blocking will happen less and less.
And now we'd love to hear from you. In the comments below, tell us, which strategy are you going to try first? Or share a time you forgot a word mid-conversation. What did you do?
If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps our channel grow and reach more English learners just like you.
And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss our videos. We post new content every week to help you speak English with, you guessed it.
See you in the next one.
Bye for now.